Hello guys, today it's one of those rainy days and I'm in the mood for some steamed beef buns. So come along guys, join me and I'll show you how I put it together. The first thing I'm going to do is make the dough. And there's a link for the recipe in the description box below. I'm going to put some butter to melt. You don't want it too hot, I just want it to warm it up so it just to dissolve the butter and then add the sugar to it. Alright, so now that's melted, I'm gonna add the sugar to it. So now that's done, I'm just taking it off now. Set it aside. The sugar and the butter is mixed already here. Next we're gonna add the milk. Alright, and next we're going to add some yeast. So that's going in there. Just give it a little stir. And now we're just gonna leave that and let it sit for about 5 minutes. So we're gonna add the salt now. Okay. See, it's ready, and now I'm gonna put the flour in there. So we're just gonna pour it in like that. So this, guys, you just want to keep kneading. I'm just kneading it, and you don't need to use your mixer for that. Everything in the one pot. So, and that's why I love this recipe. And the recipe I got this from is actually for a sweet a bean bun, but I just use this and I make my own filling. So I put beef instead of the red bean. I like it, instead of sweet, I have it savory. And it's really good. So you see how it looks? Nice. Put some paper towel on top of it and then cover it up. And this is gonna stay for 1 hour, and then we'll do the next step. This is what I'm gonna use for the filling. I have some lean ground beef and I just rinse it out, and I'm going to use that with some crushed garlic and ginger, some peppers, scallion, carrots, celery, and onions. I have some bouillon, beef, and some beef seasoning. Let's put a little bit of oil here. So next we're gonna add some carrots to that. So you wanna put some carrots, some celery, peppers. So I have green and red peppers here. I'll put some of that. Put some yellow ones, parsley. So what I'm doing is just seasoning it up really good. I'm gonna let it cook down. Some green onions. And everything just gonna cook together. Now we're gonna season it up. I'm gonna put some beef bouillon stuff in there. This is some ginger. I'm gonna put some ginger. I put lots of garlic in there, 2 teaspoons. We're gonna put some bouillon. Kitchen bouquets, so give it a little color to that. A little bit of chili pepper, not too much. And then just mix it all up. Cover it up, and then I'm gonna turn it down on a simmer and just let it cook away until it's really, really tender. See, this has been cooking for 1 hour and it's just about ready. So what I'm doing is just crushing it with a potato masher, so it's nice and even, soft. Get all the vegetables all mixed in properly, so there's no big pieces in there. And then I'm just going to let it finish cook out and then cool it out so we can put it in our dough. So this is what you would use to, if you're making beef patties or beef pies, this is the same thing idea. Like you make the filling, the beef, and you put it in your shell. So I'm just gonna leave it to dry up a bit more, let it cook without the cover. So I'm gonna put a little bit of ketchup in there, just a bit, a little extra flavor. Okay. Our dough after 1 hour, so we are just going to deflate it, knead it a little bit again, and then we're just gonna leave it for another half an hour before we cut it into pieces. So we're going to turn this on and heat up the steamer. We're just going to bring this to a boil. I'm going to actually put it on there right now and let it get hot, nice and hot. Here's our dough now. I'm going to cut them. So I want to get 10 pieces. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 of them. All right. So what you're doing, you're just making little pockets with the dough, like a little cup. Press it in the center, open it up, and then you just want to put your beef inside. So you just press it in. And then you just close it up. Give it a roll, make sure it's nice and smooth, everything's in there. And I'm going to rest it down on the side where I put it in. Okay, so that's it. So now the water is boiling in the pot, and you see our buns, they've been sitting for half an hour, so it's time to go on there to get steamed. And then I have the second batch. So I'm putting a cloth over it, and then I'm going to cover it. And we leave it for about 12 to 15 minutes, and then we're going to check it. So it's 15 minutes. I'm going to check it now. Oh, I can see. Oh, look at that. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. And as you can see, guys, this is the bun. Let's open it up. See? Oh, look at that. It's well cooked. Look how light and fluffy that is. That is so good. Look all that meat inside. It's so delicious, guys. It's really good. And there you have it, guys, our beef-filled steamed buns. Thank you for watching, and until next time, you have a great day and God bless.